This is the new Tamron 35-100 2.8, and it might be our new favorite compact all-in-one zoom lens. You're probably familiar with the Tamron 35-150 2-2.8. Although this lens is fantastic, users wanted a comparable focal length and a lighter package. This is where the 35-100 shines. It's smaller, lighter, and only weighs 1.2 pounds. That means this lens won't break your back on long shoot days. Developed with portraits in mind, it covers the most popular focal lengths. At 35mm, you get that environmental portrait look. 50mm gives you that natural depth of field. 85mm gives you that classic portrait compression. And 100 will produce that tight, flattering look with beautiful background separation. This lens also features a high-speed VXD autofocus motor. Autofocus is quick, quiet, and lightning fast. This lens also has you covered for close-up detail shots. With a minimum focus distance of 22 centimeters at 35mm, you can shoot portraits and detail shots without switching lenses. Overall, we really liked using the Tamron 35-100 2.8. It's light, versatile, and sharp. So if you shoot mostly portraits and events or want a fast zoom for travel, this might be the perfect lens for you. This lens will be available in Sony E-mount and Nikon Z-mount. Head over to our website to pre-order yours now and follow Pictureline for more photo tips and gear reviews.